Did you know that you can lend money to the government and that you can make an interest from it and that you can start from as low as 1,000 kwacha? This video is going to be about government bonds and treasury bills. But let's start by understanding the term government securities. So government securities are a debt instrument issued by the government of Zambia through the central bank, which is in this case, the Bank of Zambia. So through these instruments, the buyer is able to lend money to the government. This instrument can either be a bond or a treasury bill. What is the key difference between a government bond and a treasury bill? The simplest difference between the two is the period of time. So, treasury bills are a shorter term instrument, which means that they're for a year or less, whilst government bonds are for a period of more than 1 year. Now, why would anybody consider investing in government securities? The answer is simple. This is because they are safe. They are backed by the full faith and credit of the Zambian government that they'll be paid when they fall due, both the principal and the interest. How can one buy a bond or a treasury bill? You can buy a bond or a treasury bill either through the Bank of Zambia or a local commercial bank. But first, you need to provide your information to the Central Securities Depository, CSD for short. And you can register this information on the Bank of Zambia Investor Portal. The kind of information you need to provide are your national registration card and information such as your TPIN. You can find the full list of requirements on the portal I just spoke about. And finally, a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing my journey to financial freedom with this online platform. As is the case with any investment, do your own research and consider your risk appetite before investing. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, comments, or contributions.